learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林哲修. It's Joseph Lin here, and this month we're teaching you something that you can apply every day, and that is, do you want to go somewhere? And the answer yes or no. 你想去吗？
想希望。
想希望。然后答案
好啊。
好啊。
冇想。
冇想。今天希望 Alice 会说好啊。所以我要问一个他会说好啊的问题了。你想去看电影吗？
想去看天样吗？
谢谢，先教这句话。对，想去看天样吗？看就是看嘛。
对。
天样
电影。
就电影。And I'm waiting for the answer.
当然好啊。
哎呦，谢谢你这么的赏脸啊！不只是 yes 哦 ，it actually means I think it means yes, of course, of course, of course。感觉是当然想啊，对不对 ？OK， 怎么讲？
当然好啊。
当然好啊 ，That means of course, let's do it。那你想去看哪一部电影？
想看哪出天样？
想看哪出天样 ？OK， 想看 That means what do you want to watch？ 哪一出就是哪一出戏这样子，对不对？
天样
Which movie? All right。那既然 Alice 已经答应我了，我一定要赶紧把票买下来。
这么急啊？
因为有的时候在约是在电话上嘛，那我可能会说，那我先去买票咯。Okay? Let me go get the tickets first to secure this date. You know? 我先去买票。
我先去大胆。
我先去大胆。这教过大胆就是要买票了。
对，或者是说买票。
买票 Okay, that's another way of saying buying a ticket. But it's so cool that 大胆 which actually sounds like I dare you in Chinese 感觉是大胆，对不对？可是其实是买票。
对，那海陆腔打蛋。
打蛋。
或者是说卖票。
卖票这个比较好一点啦。All right, it's all about buying a ticket. It's so creative. I love it. So many different ways to say it. Let's review all these vocabulary, okay? 电影 a movie.
天样。
天样 And then to say of course 当然好啊。
当然好啊。
当然好啊。And finally to buy a ticket 买票。
大胆。
大胆或买票。
买票。
买票 There you go. It's all about asking do you want to go? 你想去吗？
想希望。
想希望 And saying yes 好啊。
好啊。
好啊，够了，不用再叫不想了，因为我只想听到后啊。
好啦，可是我还是要讲啊。
好，
某想。
某想 Okay, that means I don't want to. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.